Good morning, students. I have started this chapter adjective and I have defined you what is adjective and the kinds of adjective. Most of the kinds of adjective I have taught you in my previous class. And now I am going to teach you about the rest part or rest kinds of adjective. One is to interrogative adjectives and second one is possessive adjective. So first of all, we have to know that what is interrogative adjective. Okay, do you know that meaning of interrogative? So the adjective word by which there is expression of asking question is known as interrogative adjective. Then you are looking, there is the what. What is the interrogative word, and time is what? Time is noun, and before that there is a word asking what, so it is the adjective. What time is it? Okay, in second example, by second example you can see whose bicycle. Whose bicycle? Bicycle is what? Bicycle is also noun. Before the noun there is the interrogative word, so it is the interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle are they riding? So I hope you have understood that what is interrogative adjective. Interrogative word, whenever the interrogative word will come before the noun, then it will become the interrogative adjective. Now second one we are going to know the possessive adjective. The adjective word by which there is expression of possession or belonging is known as possessive adjective. That means by which word there is expression of our ownership or possessions, that things is belong to us, that is the possessive adjective. You are taking that my father is a scientist, you are telling by this word my, you are expressing that your father is a scientist. Okay, the children thanked their parents. In this sentence you are looking, the children thanked their parents. बच्चों ने किसको thank किया? अपने parents को. Parents are belonging to you. So the children thanked their parents. It is the possessive adjective. Thank. After that we will know the exercise of this chapter, and in this chapter you will know that the exercise D, page number. So as I have told you that after knowing the adjective, definition of adjective and kinds of adjective, we have to do exercise D, page number 55. In this exercise, you have to place the adjective at their proper places. Okay, so first line you are looking, Josephine, who had long hair, was a helpful girl. There is a long and helpful. You are looking, the adjective word is what? Long and helpful. We have to place long before a noun. You are looking long, adjective word, and here is noun. So whenever the adjective will be placed, it's just before a noun. Then it will become adjective. Helpful girl. Girl is also noun and helpful is adjective. You are looking inside. You will keep in your mind that whenever you have to place the adjective, then you will find that where the noun. Before that you have to place it. Okay. One windy day. We are looking which type of day? Windy. Windy day. The Sly team came to test. Sly is also adjective. Here is team is the noun. Sly team came to test the faithful Josephine. Who had come? Sly team came to test the faithful Josephine. You can see the faithful Josephine. Josephine is noun, and before that we have placed adjective. Faithful Josephine, nature. Josephine, nature. Here is the bracket. It has been given Sly and faithful. So Sly is just put. We have put before the team. You are looking before the team, and faithful has been put just before the Josephine. After that, team asked Josephine to come at the end of the wide bridge. After that, what the team to ask Josephine to come at the end of the wide bridge near the old bus stop. You are looking wide is adjective because this is just before a noun bridge, and old is just before also the bus. So old is adjective and it is placed before the bus. Bus stand in front of the palace to help him. You are looking, there is two word, there was two word, old and wide. We have placed old before the bus and wide before the bridge. After that, team observed Josephine from behind a wooden sack. You are looking wooden sack. This type of sack was wooden. So before that we have placed here wooden. Overlooking a placid river. You are looking here placid. This type of river was placid. So the river is again noun and we have placed it the word placid before it. So it is the adjective. Near the pine forest. You are looking, there is the forest. Which type of forest? Forest was pine forest. Here is the word placid, wooden and pine. So we have placed all these words before the noun. You don't forget that whenever you have to place the adjective, you will have to put it before the noun. Okay. While Tim was standing, he fell down in a muddy ditch. He fell down in a muddy ditch. In which type of ditch was it? Muddy. And smudged his cotton clothes. Which type of cloth was? Cloth was cotton. Cotton and muddy is the adjective word has been given. So you have put it, we have put it before the cloth and before the ditch. When sympathetic Josephine saw this and she immediately ran to help poor. Sympathetic Josephine. Again, Josephine is what? Josephine is here now naming word. So sympathetic. He was sympathetic. She was sympathetic. साहब जब उसने देखा, she immediately ran to help poor Tim. Sympathetic and poor, the two words has been given. We have put sympathetic before the Josephine and poor before the Tim. After that, Tim realized that the omnipresent God, which type of God? God is omnipresent. God wanted him to become a kind human. You are looking here, kind human, become a kind, you can say the kind human like Josephine. Here the kind and omnipresent, two words have been given to place. We have placed kind before the human and we have placed omnipresent before the God. So in this paragraph you are looking that all the words, adjective word will be placed before a noun, then it will be adjective. So I hope that you have better understand by this paragraph and by the definition and by the kinds of adjective, that this type of adjective should be placed which type of before which type of word. I think that you don't have any problem to do the exercise. If you have any problem, you may ask many times, many times, till that time you are not understanding. Okay, so thanks for today and it's over and that chapter is also end and we will do the next exercise. And what is your homework? I have given you homework to do exercise. Do exercise E, page number 55. Your homework is SW, you can write here. Do exercise E, page 55. So I will see your copy in next class. That means tomorrow I will see your copy in my live class. And thanks for today.